All right, for this one, we'll just do the same thing we did before. We're going to solve for y. So what's the first thing we do? We're going to subtract 2x from both sides. And then we get 3y is equal to, and I like to put the x term in the front because remember we want it to look like y equals mx plus b, right? So that's a positive 6, so we just say plus 6. Then I divide everything by 3, right? Now some of this stuff will simplify. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so that gives me 1y. This just stays 2/3 x. And then 6 divided by 3 is actually a positive 2. So remember that the number in front of the letter x is the slope, and that the number all by itself is the y-intercept. That's where we cross the y-axis at. So I'm going to go to positive 2 right here. Let me zoom in a little bit. Perfectly drawn dot right there. And then from there, because my slope is negative 2 over 3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3. Go down 1, 2 over 3. Go down 1, 2 over 3. Okay? And I do the same thing but in the opposite direction. I'm going to go over 3 up 2, over 3 up 2. And then I connect the dots. I have to breathe. So when you're graphing it, you have to make the same noise. Here, practice, go. You guys are lame. Alright. I bet your graph doesn't look as good as mine. Alright, is that it? Any questions on that? Let's double check it in Desmos. Want to? Okay. So we're going to change this to 2x plus 3y. So 2x plus 3y equals 6, I think it was. And you graph it, you do the same thing. No, just kidding. But what we could do is double check the x and y intercept. 0, 2, 3, 0. Is that what I have? Yeah. Same thing, right? Well, duh. That's why I'm your math teacher. Okay. All right. On to the next one.